Sonya Littlejohn. I'm a writer, a poet, and a multimedia artist. I'm here today to offer you a couple of grounding and inspirational writing activities for beginning a writing practice, maintaining a writing practice, and stoking your writer's flame. The first activity is called the Galaxy of Words, and it's been offered to me by the poet laureate George Eliot Clark, so I want to acknowledge that before we begin. The second activity is called the Road Trip activity, and for this one I'd like to acknowledge my inspiration is the song Hymn 101 by Joe Pug. Thanks for coming to the writing activity that I'm offering you. What I need for you to know first is about nouns. Nouns are the part of speech we're going to be using for this activity. And in case you need a refresher, nouns are specifically used for naming or identifying people, places, and things. Concrete nouns are names that are often capitalized. So someone's name or the name of a city. They're also common items like tables, chairs, phones, and materials. Abstract nouns are names for ideas and concepts and emotions. For 5 minutes with a pen and paper, imagine there's a beam obliterating the noun language you use to express your deepest feelings, thoughts, fears, hopes, experiences, loved ones, everything. Catch as many concrete and abstract nouns as you can before they're obliterated by the beam. You've got 5 minutes. Save your words. Now that you've collected your words, it's time to get creative with them. So go through that list that you developed in 5 minutes and find the really important words. Pick around 10. You can do more or less depending on how you feel, but collect a selection of really important words and think about the subject that they're drawing to your mind, and then take 5 minutes and try to craft those words into a poem about the idea, the person, the place, or the thing that they inspire thoughts about. The second activity I'd like to offer you today is called the Road Trip writing exercise. You're going to use a song you're familiar driving to, that one you roll down the windows and belt out the lyrics. Next time you listen to it, please take note of the nouns in the song that are bringing a lot of inspiration, or that you sing louder, or just make you smile. Write those nouns down. Next, think about the people, places, and things you associate with those words from the song. Think about the song's message in general and how you process that through your own experience. Write down any lines you come up with, any specific words, any names of people or places or things, and take that material And if you want, you can keep listening to the song or you can listen to some instrumental music. But take some time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, to write a poem inspired by your road trip. Hi again. I'm back for one more tip. You might want to do something if you're out on a drive. You can listen to your favorite song. I've proposed Hymn 101 by Joe Pug for this activity. As you listen, and if you've listened to it so many times, you'll know all the nouns by heart. So just list what they are as you're listening to it on your drive. Thank you for taking the time to write with me today. I hope next time you feel blank or out of those fresh ideas, you can turn to these activities and revive your writing soul. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy.